Benjamin Franklin was a statesman, diplomat, writer, scientist, and inventor, and was one of the founding fathers of the United States of America. Born in Boston, Massachusetts in 1706, Franklin briefly attended school, but left at the age of 10 to work for his father, who was a candle and soap maker. At the age of 12 he became an apprentice to his brother, who was a printer. Franklin then began writing letters anonymously to his brother's newspaper under the pseudonym of Mrs. Silence Dogood. The brothers quarreled, and Benjamin ran away to Philadelphia in 1723. He found various jobs in the printing industry, and after a few months in Philadelphia he moved to London. After 18 months in London, he returned to Philadelphia and established himself as a printer. He bought the Pennsylvania Gazette, which he edited himself, which went on to become one of the American colony's major newspapers. He also published Poor Richard's Almanac, a collection of proverbs and sayings that proved very popular at the time. Franklin was a prolific inventor who never patented his inventions, believing that invention should be free to all as an opportunity to help others. He invented the lightning rod, the Franklin stove, bifocal glasses, and also demonstrated that lightning and electricity are the same, using his famous kite experiment, as well as various other scientific discoveries, including early theories of refrigeration and the discovery of the Gulf Stream current between the USA and Britain. Franklin was also active in politics and was clerk of the Pennsylvania Assembly, as well as a member of the Assembly and then deputy postmaster for the colonies, making the postal service more efficient and profitable. He also founded the American Philosophical Society and an academy, which later became the University of Pennsylvania. Franklin lived in London from 1757 to 1774 as the colonial representative for Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Georgia, and Massachusetts. He tried in vain to reconcile the colonies and the British government, but the American War of Independence broke out, and Franklin returned to America and became involved in the struggle for independence. In June 1776, he was appointed to the Committee of Five that drafted the Declaration of Independence, and was also one of the signatories of the document. Franklin was then made ambassador to France, and helped to negotiate the Franco-American alliance, which provided military cooperation against the British. In 1783, Franklin signed the Treaty of Paris, effectively ending the American War of Independence. He returned to America and became involved in politics again, and was involved in the writing of the Constitution, and was also a signatory on this document. He died on April the 17th, 1790, at the age of 84, and around 20,000 people attended his funeral.